Have you ever wondered why life seems to follow a certain path, leading us through various experiences, challenges, and moments of joy? It's like being a part of a vast storybook, where each chapter has a purpose, and every event is a significant part of the narrative. That's the essence behind why God has a plan for you. It's not just a phrase, it's an understanding that you are a vital piece of a larger puzzle, a unique thread in the intricate fabric of existence. Life, in its essence, is a journey filled with unexpected twists and turns. There are moments of triumph, moments of difficulty, and moments where we're left wondering about the bigger picture. But what if everything we go through, whether positive or challenging, is meant to contribute to our growth? What if the obstacles we face are opportunities in disguise, meant to help us learn, evolve, and discover more about ourselves? Consider this. What if the difficulties you encounter today are actually preparing you for something remarkable in the future? Life's plan for you might not be crystal clear right now. It's like a map unfolding gradually, each step guiding you toward a destination that's not fully revealed yet. Every setback, every achievement, every stumble, it's all coming together, shaping the unique story of who you are and who you're meant to become. It's essential to recognize that life's challenges aren't meant to hinder you. Instead, they're intended to propel you forward. They serve as teachers, guiding you through the school of life, imparting invaluable lessons and unveiling hidden strengths. These challenges push you out of your comfort zone, encouraging personal growth and nurturing resilience that helps you navigate through life's uncertainties. Imagine for a moment that every experience you encounter, whether joyful or distressing, is a piece of a larger puzzle. You may not see the complete picture just yet, but each moment serves a purpose, leading you on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Life isn't just a sequence of events. It's an intricate tapestry where each thread contributes to the beauty of the whole. Your journey isn't merely about reaching a destination. It's about embracing every step of the way. It's about finding meaning in the smallest moments, learning from the highs and lows, and evolving through the experiences. Challenges might appear daunting, but they're sculpting you into a more resilient, wiser, and better version of yourself. So when life feels perplexing or challenging, remember that there's a grander plan at play. Every hurdle you face is shaping you for something more significant. Embrace the uncertainty, believe in your capabilities, and understand that each experience, no matter how trying, is molding you for the extraordinary things that lie ahead. There's a plan designed for you, and it's unfolding gradually, step by step. Trust in the journey, have faith in yourself, and embrace the unfolding story. It's a story waiting to reveal its beauty and purpose.